Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a quick look at FunOS 25.04 LTS. So here you can enroll your MOK. What is MOK? I will tell you in a separate video. Enroll key from the disk, enroll hash from the disk, everything, all this mock management, I will let you know in a separate video. First, let us continue with the boot and we will take a quick look at the FunOS JWM desktop. It is based on Ubuntu 25.04 LTS, Plucky Pluffing. All the bloat from the Ubuntu has been removed and only the essential packages, essential processes will only run on the system. And system uses lightweight JWM desktop. You have to input your password in the password field, and here you can see you got two sessions, JWM and the default X session. You have got the keyboard layouts. These are the keyboard layouts available. This is the accessibility features. Only large text and text high contrast are available. This is the calendar, time and calendar, and you got the power menu. Let us log in. So the first thing that I have to do is to do the resolution settings. Monitor settings. Because during the install we had done the monitor settings, but it doesn't seems to be saved, and you have to reapply the monitor settings. Okay. What I will do is I will just log out once and log in, because then this wallpaper will be applied properly. Let us log out and log in, and whether we will check whether the resolution remains correctly applied or not. No. So every log out and log in, you will have to reapply the monitor settings. So monitor settings does not stay. We'll have to save this. Yes, configuration is no, it has again come back to the old one. Just a moment. Apply. Okay. And you need to save it. Configuration is saved. Now let us log out and log in. So this time the configuration should be saved, and no, you can see it is not getting applied. So the setting is not working, at least in virtual machine. It might work on your bare metal, but it is not working here. Okay. So at the bottom you have got this panel. This is the JWM desktop, or the JWM window manager, or the JOS window manager. We have seen this in NTX. We have seen in some other Linux distributions. I think it was in Archcraft or some Arch-based distribution where the JWM was there. So this is the application menu. You got the terminal. This is the file manager. Let us check out. I think it is PCman file manager. No. Yes, it is PCman FF. That is the PCman file manager. I think it is from the LXQT desktop, and this might be the LXQT panel at the bottom. You have got a text editor. So it is mousepad from XFC desktop. Then you have got the Mozilla Firefox. Let us check out Mozilla Firefox. What is the version? Then there is this workspace manager. You have got two workspaces. Then what is this? This is the simple volume control. This is the Wi-Fi manager. Then you have got the time and calendar. No, calendar, only time is shown here. And what is the version of Firefox? The version is 128.9.0 ESR. So it is going with the ESR versions. Okay. So it is quite latest. Now in the settings you can customize look and feel. Just we will check this out. So right now the Numix theme is the default theme. We can change over to relic. Let us apply the relic theme. Let us see what happens. Not much change. I think it will require a reboot. So what we will do is, let us stay with the new mix. Let me reapply the new mix theme. Icon themes we can change. So right now it is new mix. Let us go with the new mix light, and we can go with the widgets new mix. Okay, widget is already new mix. Colors, we can use customize colors. No, it is not working. Icon theme we have changed over to the new mix light. Let us see. No, it is not changing. I think every time we change the icons, we have to reboot or at least log out, or we can go with the ePapyrus one. Let us apply this. Yes, now it is changing. You can see some of the icons have changed. Yes, so it is working for Papyrus Lite. Then let us go with the ePapyrus ones. This should also work. Okay, then what is this? Let us apply this. Yes, you can see now. This icon has changed. I think set wallpaper icon has changed. Let us go with the new mix. Let us apply the new mix again. So you got number of icon themes, and a few widget themes are there to be applied as a choice. Then you got the fonts, so different kinds of fonts should be available. So this is only limited to the anti-aliasing, hinting, and subpixel geometry. There will be some font manager, some at other place. Let us check that out also. So now let us check out the wallpapers. You can see here set wallpaper is there. So now it will show us all the wallpapers. Beautiful wallpapers are there. Let us apply this. Superb. You see one of the best wallpapers. Superb, really superb. Then this one, let us apply. Wow, this is also very nice looking, beautiful wallpaper. Let us apply this. Superb. I think one of the best wallpapers I have seen. This is the best wallpaper correction in any Linux distro that we have tried since last 3 years. Very nice. Superb. This is Windows. If you see, this is Windows wallpaper, I think. Windows like wallpaper. Let us try this one. Very nice wallpaper. Very bright and very cheerful wallpapers. If you live in some cold country, you can put this wallpapers on your screen and it will feel you warm. This is also very nice wallpapers. Very nice. Wow, super. This is also very nice looking wallpaper. Wow, really nice wallpapers. All of the wallpapers are very nice. Very nice. I think that is Mount Fiji in the background. It is Japan, some city in Japan. This is also very nice. Then you have got this. Very nice. Wow, this is also very nice wallpaper. Very beautiful wallpapers. I have not seen a collection like this in any other Linux distribution. Superb. Wow. There are many wallpapers. In fact, it will take us long time to check out all the wallpapers. Superb. Wow. This is also very nice wallpaper. I don't know where they have collected all these wallpapers. Excellent wallpapers. Wow. Another good wallpaper. Another one. Superb. Wow. This wallpaper I have seen somewhere else. So this is not a unique wallpaper. It I have seen it's somewhere else. This one is also nice wallpaper. Wow. So I think now I will skip some wallpapers because we cannot continue like this seeing all the wallpapers. This is also nice wallpaper. This one looks very nice. This might be AI generated wallpaper. I don't think it is real. So many wallpapers. This is also nice. This is a real wallpaper. This one should look very nice. Yes, beautiful wallpapers. This one, yes, this is also nice. Maybe it is Chicago or some city in USA or Canada, Vancouver or something like that. This wallpaper we have seen many times in other Linux distributions, and this might be good looking wallpaper. Yeah, this is also nice, and I think this one should be also, yes, this is superb wallpaper. So I think we will keep this wallpaper and we will stop here because you see there are too many wallpapers to be checked. Okay. Now in the accessories you got the file manager, that is the PC man file FM. Calculator is from Gnome desktop. Light DM GTK greater settings. This is from the XFC. So it is using the components from XFC. Some applications are from the Gnome. Some applications are from LXQT desktop. Mousepad is from XFC desktop. Screenshot, X archiver, Nitrogen wallpaper manager. So this is all Nitrogen wallpaper manager that is using. Icon browser in development section. In graphics, you got the evice document viewer and the gpic view. In internet section, you have got only the Firefox web browser. Nothing else is there. So if you um, compare this with other Linux distributions, we got very minimum number of applications are preloaded in the ISO. So that makes it more lean and mean, and it will work on very 10-year-old desktops also. It will work. So you've got a system that is 10 years old. This FunOS will work on that system. In Office, only evice document viewer is there. No Office suite is there. In system, you can see here the installer is there. Alex terminal is there from the LXQT. Task manager is there. If you check out the task manager, you can see just 307 MB out of the 3.8 GB is used, and CPU usage is at the max 1%. So that's very great. And if you want, you can see some more details. Yes, you can see the process IDs and all those things. You click here. Further, you got the UX term, that is the UX terminal and the X terminal. This is from the XFC desktop, and these are all the themes that are available. We can try it out. Let us go with the Advaita. So it changes the look. You can see here the look has changed. Now you can go with the black one. The panel has become black. Then you can change over to the blue day. Yes, so this looks better, blue day. Then you can go with the brown. So the panel changes to brown. This is nice one. Then you have got the cappuccino. This is not that good. Clear looks, yes, I am fan of clear looks. Looks very nice, more like Windows. Then coffee cream. This is also okay. Not good for my eyes. It's copper. This is okay. Default one is this that comes with the ISO, preloaded with the ISO. Gold. Okay, so this is the gold one. Then you have got the green. This is nice, green. This looks like Mate desktop, the theme that is in Mate desktop. Then you have got ice. Ice is nice one. I like the ice one. Yes, this looks very nice. Then you got the military green. Then you have got pastel. Yes, pastel is cool. I always like pastel. Then you got the pretty pink. This is okayish. Red is there. I don't like. I'm not a fan of red color. Shades of gray. This is okayish. Then you have got the sunny day. Yes, this is also nice looking, and white. So white is there. It's just looks like window. We will bring it back to the default. Where is the default one? Okay. Anything else? I think nothing is there. You have got some documentation. You can check out the documentation, and you can also add desktops if you want. So how to add the desktops, that we will see in the next video, and I will show you how to install the HWE kernel from the Ubuntu repos here. It is available in FunOS. You can install HWE kernel, that is the hardware enabled layer kernels. So that we will see in the next video. This video we have just taken a look at quick look at a JWM desktop of FunOS. It is very nice. I like the work done by the developers, and this system is fantastic. I didn't have any glitch except the resolution scaling. Everything is working perfectly. There is no issue, and I can guarantee you this system, if you install on your old system, old desktop or laptop, it is going to work like a charm. This is one of the best Linux distributions that I tried, and since the Ubuntu base is there, you will get access possibly to many of the Ubuntu apps also. So all those things in the next video. So see you there, where we will install some desktop, and I will also try to install the HWE kernel on the FunOS. So I think there will be two videos more will come after this video, and then we will change over to some other Linux distribution. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.